They are building new Santiago Bernabeu Stadium with astonishing technologies. If you are keen on football, you know that Santiago Bernabeu Stadium is one of the most prominent places for any football fan in the world. This is the place where history of football was created. Since 1947, the stadium has been the home for Real Madrid, one of the richest football teams in Europe. But in 2021, we see a new stadium being built on its place in Madrid. Let's look at the new Santiago Bernabeu Stadium and see what it will actually look like. Some key points about the building. The stadium was named after Santiago Bernabeu, the former player and the former president of Real Madrid. It has been renovated numerous times in its history and now has nearly 81,000 seats. That's the third largest stadium in Europe and the second biggest in Spain. This is the only stadium in the world that has hosted both UEFA Euro Final and FIFA World Cup Final. Well, this place is not just a part of football history, this is a football history. But the stadium has been so busy that it hasn't been substantially renovated for years. Now, Real Madrid owners and Madrid city authorities see that there is a need in total renovation. What will be changed in the construction? Actually, this time it's hard to call renovation because they are going to build a completely new stadium. The only thing that will be left from the old one is the number of seats. There are still going to be 81,000 seats. Once you look at the project's pictures of the new Bernabeu, you understand that the stadium will be the world's most up-to-date and beautiful football object. They wanted to invest 525 million euros, around 640 million US dollars. And that's quite enough to build a new stadium from scratch. So we can only imagine what it will look like inside after the renovation is completed. The height of Bernabeu is going to be increased by 10 meters, and the roof will be added. The most intriguing thing is that Santiago Bernabeu still works and won't be closed for a single day. The construction works are planned in such a way that the stadium could keep on working and hosting football matches, as well as inviting thousands of fans. The initial project was changed so that this could become a reality. There were still some matches that Real Madrid had to play on other stadiums in Madrid because some works affected the pitch and it needed time to be recovered. More plans for renovation. The city authorities believe the investment in Santiago Bernabeu Stadium is a good thing for boosting tourism. They are going to add more restaurants to the stadium, build a shopping center inside, and even plan a hotel. Some rooms of the hotel will even have a view on the pitch. The city plans to use Bernabeu as a venue for concerts to make even more money. The new roof, megaproject in action. The roof will be produced and delivered to the stadium, and then it will be lifted to the top with the help of hydraulic systems using Roman technology. The roof itself will be retractable and very light. At the moment, they are constructing a special base for the roof. As soon as it's ready, the roof itself will be delivered and assembled on the spot. Then they need to catch the time when there are no matches planned and lift up to attach the roof to the supporting construction. No one can say what are the materials that are being used for the roof or what is its weight. Any additional changes? If you feel like it's not enough of changes for Santiago Bernabeu, we prepared an additional tourist attraction for you to include on your list of traveling spots. Once the Bernabeu is finished, the city authorities will change the Plaza de los Sagrados Corazones. This is the square nearby. Now it's just a simple square, but they are going to create 6,000 square meters of gardens to protect tourists from Spanish summer heat. And we believe that will change the way the stadium looks like. It doesn't matter if you like football or not, you'll love Santiago Bernabeu Stadium as soon as it's renovated. And we recommend you plan a journey to Madrid in 2022 to check it out by yourself.